Men Are, poem and words by Rebecca Green Lambert. Men are not toys to be placed strategically on a playing field. Men are not objects to be subjects of your missing plot. Men are a building block to be nurtured and cherished. Men are the sons of daughters. Men are the fathers we celebrate. Men are the forgotten soldiers of capitalism. Men are so much more than we have given glory to. Men are our brothers, our uncles, our sons, our friends. Men are our companions, our shoulders to cry on. Men are our people, once young boys, men,